Alright guys, so it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video you are going to learn how to pay many supplier on 1688 step-by-step guide tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and if you still want to check out more tutorial about China importation using 1688, you can visit my channel for more tutorial. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how you can pay multiple supplier on 1688 without using agent. First thing first, you have to visit your cart. You click here to visit your cart, then it open up this way. Now you need to select all the supplier that you have added into your cart so far. So you have to tap on their names. You can see these are different supplier. So I'm paying about 10 supplier at the same time. Okay, so you have to tap on the company name. Tap on the company name here. I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, and this one, this company, and this, finally, and this. So I'm paying the sum of 699 RMB. Okay, so once you are able to select all the products you are paying for, so the next thing you have to do is to click here to make the payment. Then take you here. You can also scroll down and see all information and make sure that everything, once you are sure that everything is correct, you can scroll down and see more and more. Once you are able to understand that everything is correct, the next thing you need to do is to click on here to pay for this. I'm paying 780 RMB to purchase all these products. So I'm going to click on here now to make payment. So immediately you click on there, it's going to connect to your Alipay. Okay, all right, so you can see it right here. I'm paying 720 RMB to purchase all the product. So next thing is to make sure that your Alipay is active. Okay, once your Alipay is active, then you have to come down below here and click on here to make the payment. Then your Alipay is going to connect. So I'm going to click on here now to make the payment. Click on here. Then I'm going to enter my payment password. Once your payment is done successful, it takes you back here. So you can see payment has been done successfully. Then you can easily go back to your 1688 profile. So by the time I refresh, so all the products will be moved right here. Okay, so if I click on here, you're going to see all the 10 products that we just paid for on 1688. So this is how you can pay for multiple supplier on 1688 step-by-step guide tutorial. If you want to check more tutorial about China importation, you can visit my channel for more tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.